Okay, so here we are then, the loneliness of the long distant pointer. It's a beautiful day on the hill today. Come on, Justy! Come on, Big Loon! There you go. There we are, good boy. Eh? What a day! Isn't it a glorious day? Just gonna look around. And that's where we've been. Coming uphill. And looking around. Hey, Big Loon? Justy boy? Hey? Hey? And might as well get myself in camera, I suppose. Hey? I wonder if we're both in. Do you think? Do you think we're both in? Aye? What do you reckon? Anyways, bye for now.